Hello everyone, I'm Michael and this will be a video explaining to you the basics of linear probabilistic modeling. So you might be wondering to yourself, what is linear probabilistic modeling? Well, I'll try to put it as simply as I can, since it's not exactly a complex topic, but one that you will need to wrap your head around. So let's get started. Linear probabilistic modeling is a type of binary regression modeling, or modeling based on a binary value of 1 or 0, oftentimes representing a success or failure in your dataset. While a lot of other models can have graphs that often look wavy with a number of curves thrown in there, linear probabilistic modeling will always give you a nice straight line for your graph due to the nature of how it is measured. The way we find this line's equation is with the equation you see on the screen, where beta 0 is your base probability, beta 1 x1 is the probability of the dependent variable x1, beta 2 x2 is the dependent variable x2, so on and so forth. If you are familiar at all with programming, this is kind of like a Boolean, or something that can only be treated as true or false, or, in this case, 1 or 0. This isn't the same method as the one explained before, but more of a rough estimation to help you understand the point. If the specific instance of our dependent variable we are checking is true, or a success, then we plot the point on the top of our graph. If it is false, however, or a failure, then we plot it at the bottom of our graph. We can then take the average of all of these points to give us our slope. If you have more high points, then the slope will trend positively. If you have more low points, then the slope will trend negatively. Again, this isn't the official method, and it will not give you as accurate of a result as the official method I spoke about earlier, but it is a good way to roughly estimate what you might be looking at in your dataset. Finally, I have created the small real-world example visualization to help you wrap your head around the topic. Let's say we have a product on the production line. We invested a lot of money into this new system that can detect if the product has an error or a defect. In doing so, it will automatically sort them into two distinct piles, one with errors and one without errors. This is basically what we are doing when we are using linear probabilistic modeling and using that to find our graph. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I was able to successfully explain the concept of linear probabilistic modeling. If you have any more questions, I know this is being uploaded to YouTube for the assignment, so feel free to leave the comments down below and I'll try to answer them about this topic. Thank you.